Hello, I'm Duncan Zuill from Levenmouth Academy in Fife. I'm going to give you a quick look at what we've been doing at the back of our school on a project known as the Bats Wood Project. The previous school was demolished to make room for Levenmouth Academy. There was a huge amount of made up land at the back of the school that nobody wanted, so we took it over and we've been busy ever since. From just grass in 2017 to what we have now, which is about 9,000 trees and 200 fruit trees in various orchards, little growing spaces here and there. You can see the large pots that we have, a cold frame, a wormery, tyres with different plants inside them, areas for hedgehogs and frog and toad abodes and all kinds of stuff like that. We also looked at permaculture. We started off with this kind of centerpiece, a goat willow circle, planted out, and then we added a hugel hoop, which is like a mound of buried wood with soil on top. And that's where we can grow a lot of our most interesting vegetables. So you can see there's so much going on here, it's hard to put into this very short 2-minute video. We've now got a big container to keep all our equipment in, which is a huge boost this year. So the overall plan is to have a beautiful woodland, a community fruit and vegetable project, and one day a bike track running through it, which is free for everyone to use. Hopefully we'll have a great community asset, and it's a place that will bring value to the people that live around here and the pupils who live so close to it. Big thanks to Kris Fraser, who did the drone footage, and you can see here just the extent, the size of the project. But to really see what's going on there and all the things that we're doing, it's best to come and have a look. Otherwise, you can visit our website or follow us on Facebook and see all the stories there. Thank you for watching this short video.